back. We're back. And today we're gonna find out which operation we need to use on single step word problems. Okay. So first, let's say I went to the store and I wanted to buy a pack of oatmeal cookies and a pack of macaroni and cheese. And I get to the cashier and she's like, she's gotta find the total of how much I owe, okay, to buy the macaroni and cheese and the oatmeal cookies. What operation would she use to find that out? Well, think about it. You have the price of one product, and then we have the price of another product. So we would have to find the total of both products, which means we have to combine how much each costs, which is adding. We can find the total. We'll find the total. So we would add to figure that out. Okay, now let's say I have a lemonade stand and I decide to sell, and I sell 4 cups of lemonade, and each cup goes for an exuberant price of $2. Expensive lemonade. It sells for $2. Each cup sells for $2, and I sell 4 cups. Which operation would I need to use to find out how much money I made in total? Well, $2 for each cup. That means I would be saying $2 by $4 by 4 cups, because $2 for each cup, so it's $2 4 times. So I'd multiply. I'd be multiplying. I'd be $2 plus $2 plus $2 plus $2 plus $2. That's multiplication. $2 4 times. Okay, now let's say I have 21 baguettes for some reason. I don't know why you have so many baguettes. Why do you have so many baguettes? Okay, let's say I have 21 baguettes and I have 7 friends over, and we want to share the baguettes evenly between us. What operation would I use to find out how many baguettes each person would get? Well, if I have 21 baguettes, means I would have to group those 21 baguettes, 21 baguettes into 7 equal groups. And grouping is just division. Okay, so I would divide 21 baguettes by 7 people to find out how much each person would get, how many baguettes each person would get. And the answer would be 3. You're wondering. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. 3 baguettes for each person. I don't think I can eat 3 baguettes. I don't think I want 3 baguettes. Okay, now let's say I have, let's say I have bought a product for, let's say I bought like a piece of wood for, that piece of wood cost $5. But I gave them $30 or $32. And they got to give me change. How much change do they have to give me? How much money do they have to give back to me? Well, I gave them a certain amount over $5. To find that $5, I would need to take that $5 that I gave away from the 32 that I had. So I gave 32, but I only meant to give $5. So it means they can keep the 5 and then just give me the remainder, the difference between the $32 and the $5, which would be subtraction, which is equal to 27. So they would have to give me $27 back, because that's how much I overgave. I gave too much. So we'd use subtraction, which you probably guessed. So yeah, try this at home and stay at school. And don't eat too many baguettes, okay? You shouldn't eat 21 baguettes. That's a lot of baguettes.